Hey guys, Joey here. Today I got my good friend of mine that helps me work on RVs from time to time. And we're going to change out a quickie step motor kit and transmission here. We're going to replace the motor as well as the gear reduction piece. It comes as a complete unit. We'll post a link below in the description. But this is a single step motor. It's kind of dark underneath here, underneath this RV, but tools you're going to need are likely a 7/16 wrench and a 7/16 socket and ratchet, and then a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the little cotter pin in your linkage here, as you can see. So we've already prepped ours. We took it out. So, and then you would take your 7/16 ratchet. Shane's going to show you here and loosen. You'll be able to get on about 3 of them with the 7/16 ratchet, and one of them you'll have to use the wrench. This one over here by the motor, most likely. And some people will have to remove the linkage just to get the step open to gain access to it. But this typically is a job that somebody could do themselves if they're semi-mechanically inclined. But as you can see here, there's 4 bolts that come out of the top, and want to kind of hold pressure on the motor as you remove them all so it doesn't drop down and hit you. But it has carriage bolts, so when you loosen them you don't need to put a wrench on top of it. The gearbox on this one is shot, so we went ahead and just ordered the whole kit. They're a little spendy, but it's worth their money.